Hi, everybody. This is your announcement for Philosophy 201. Today is April 22nd. We are back on campus. The water is back to running, and we're all happy that we can continue with the semester. So, this is, I can't believe this. There are 2 weeks left of regular classes, and then final exams is after that. So, really, there's 3 weeks left in the semester. So we are winding down very quickly. So, first of all, thanks for the people who commented on my odd article from The Onion last week. I'm not quite sure where that came from. I guess just being at home and not being able to work on campus. Anyway, I thought the article was, I guess, funny, but in a way, I guess it wasn't too. And I understand how many of you, the four who replied, indicated that you had mixed thoughts about that, and I understand that. I certainly didn't mean to make light of that event of the Notre Dame Cathedral burning down. That is, and it didn't burn down. It looks like it's just the roof, and it will be able to be rebuilt. And billions of dollars have already been sent. To help in that effort. So, but at any rate, I just thought it was an interesting attempt at philosophical humor by The Onion. They do that a lot, and I just wanted to share it with you. So, anyway, that's that. Okay, so this week we move into the last part of Module 5, Module 5.2. It is a journal week this week. So, your journal questions are the following. First, what is the basis of religious belief? Okay, now that question I want to clarify. So it's not asking what is the basis of your religious belief, it's what do you think is the basis of religious belief. So in other words, just to clarify, is it faith or is it something else? Is it empirical evidence? Which would be kind of weird, right? But anyway, I'm just going to leave that there. Okay, so that's what that question is asking, is what do you think is the basis of religious belief? Why do people believe? Okay, so that's kind of an objective question. And then the next question is more personal. The next question asks, which of the readings in Module 5.1 is most similar to the beliefs you hold about religion? So this actually does ask you about your beliefs. Explain why the reading is more similar to your beliefs. Okay, so it's very important that in your response you talk about the readings and how they are most similar to your beliefs. Okay, so that's the journal for this week. All the rest is pretty much the same. It asks for self-reflection, accuracy when talking about the readings. And I just want to reemphasize that you can use illustrations along with your written response to the journal questions. Not many people have done that. I know it's more work, but if you feel so inclined, you are welcome to do that. And I think it adds to your written response. So I hope some of you do that. Okay, so that is what's happening for this week. Next week we will start kind of the last module in our class for the semester. Hard to believe. And it's going to be on, it's called What is My Personal Philosophy? Okay, so start thinking about that. There are some detailed instructions and it's a project. Okay, so this is kind of your final project. Instead of a final exam, you're going to do this in the class. All right, so I will talk more about this next week in my announcement, but just want to tell you to go ahead and kind of look ahead to that so you can start thinking about it. All right. So once again, if you have any questions about the journal assignment or any of the readings, please let me know. I will be grading those discussions that you completed last week, this week, and I guess that's it. So I hope you all have a really good week. Enjoy the warm weather, and I'll see you again next week.